In this video, I'm going to show you how to register a newborn baby birth certificate in Alberta, Canada. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so step number one is register the birth. So you must register your child's birth within 10 days of birth. The parent who gave birth is responsible for completing the registration. If both parents want to be listed, both must participate in the registration process. How to register. So you can use the online birth registration service provided by the province. Registration must be completed in one session and typically takes around 30 minutes. What you'll need. So you'll need the baby's full name, date and place of birth, parents' full legal names, dates and place of birth, information about the birth, for example the hospital, attending doctor or midwife, and also your social security insurance number, or of the parent applying for child benefits if applicable. You can also opt in to apply for Canada Child Benefits, social insurance number and birth certificate too. Okay, step two, apply for the birth certificate. After the birth is registered, you can apply for your baby's birth certificate. So you got two different types available. With parental information includes names of the parents, or without parental information includes only the child details. Alright, so how to apply? Online through the provincial system or in person at any Alberta registry office. Fees, a standard fee applies, usually around $40 depending on the type and delivery option. Processing time is typically 2 to 3 weeks.